Hello, welcome to this video. In this video I will show how to compare two datasets by using VBA macros. For comparison purpose I am using VLOOKUP function. Here I have two datasets in column A and column B. Column A consists of first set and column B consists of second set. Here I am comparing first set with second one. Click on first to second button. This is the output. Here we can find application returned apple, as apple exists in second set. Next, orange also exists in second set. Thereafter, grapes doesn't exist in second set, hence application returned message as data doesn't exist. Thereafter, banana doesn't exist and pineapple also doesn't exist. Now let us check the coding part. This is the complete coding. Let me explain step by step. Here I used onError resume next. Thereafter, I declared a variable for active worksheet. Variable name is sh. Set sh is equal to active workbook dot sheets of sheet 2. Next I define the last row of column C. For that purpose I am using end XLUp row property of range object. Next I am clearing the existing content of column C. Thereafter I define a variable for starting row equivalent to 2, as data starts from second row in column A. Next I declared a variable which is named as last row. This variable is useful to save the last row number of column A. For this purpose I am using end XLUp property of range object. Next I declared a variable to define the lookup range. Dim lookup range as range. Set lookup range is equal to, here I am defining the range. Starting row is 2, as data started from second row. Thereafter I mention column as 2. Next I mention last row here. Thereafter I mention column number as 2. Next I declare two variables, dim r as integer, r equivalent to loop variable. Second one is dim criteria as string. This variable is useful to store the lookup value. Next I am using for loop, r equivalent to loop variable. Starting value of the loop is 2 and end value of the loop is last row. Here I mention criteria. Criteria is equal to, as I am looping all the rows in column A, I mention column number as 1 and row number I consider loop variable. Next I am using VLOOKUP function. As I am saving the output in third column, I mention column number as 3. Here I am using VLOOKUP application.worksheet function.VLOOKUP. First one is the criteria and second one is lookup range, and this one denotes about the column number. This one is the match type. If the value exists, application returns the output. If the value doesn't exist, application returns the error. Hence here I am using error.number. If error.number greater than 0, then in third column application mentions the description as data doesn't exist. After that it clears the error. At the end application returns message box as confirmation. Now let us see how to compare second set with the first one. Click on second to first. Here orange exists in second set and first set also. Pen exists in second set but doesn't exist in first set. hence application returned as data doesn't exist. Eraser doesn't exist in the first set. Pencil doesn't exist. Coming to apple, it exists in first set, hence application returned the output. Let us cross check with the coding part. Only difference is I consider the criteria from second column. Coming to lookup range, I consider the first column. Other than these two, everything is common. So this is the brief explanation about the coding part. Hope this video is useful to everyone. Thanks for watching.